All right, there's one more interesting path I want to take this podcast on. So we covered your artistic side, we covered your educational side, we covered your entrepreneurial side. There is one more thing. There are two more things. Actually. Another thing that you told me, which was interesting about you, was that whenever you felt lost in life, whenever you felt lost in life, you would solo travel to various countries, and every time you would find your answers through travel. Another two-part question: do you believe travel is therapeutic, or was this coincidental? And part B: how do you deal with travel bans and quarantine, and what would you tell the people who are going through a tough time about how they can deal with their problems? Because your answer was quite a lot of travel.
That is a very interesting question because for me, traveling works in a very beautiful way. The time, like when I was student, actually that time it was not possible to travel multiple countries. So what I
Yep.
did is, like I tried to find out some lane of my own city where I have never worked way. So
Hmm.
I try to find out. I try to even you will be find out, like, this is very interesting story. Let
Yeah.
me tell you something. When I was like sad, then what I do was, like, really, I don't know, like, very I really don't know, mad or something like that. I used to work on the bus stoppage. That time there was no any concept of Ola Uber, so I used to walk to the bus stoppage, and
Acha.
then I just wait for a bus, like AC bus come in. I put my earphones on and I just step into the bus, and then I
Wow.
have really no idea, like when the bus is going to take me in the city. Okay, so I used to, like look around the city, and I just used to look around the new lane, new part of the city, and then somewhere the bus get stopped. The bus comes to an end, and I just, like walk up. I mean, walk from the bus and just look around the
Wow.
place a little bit, and I find out a coffee shop. I really love coffee shop, dude. I love visiting
Wow.
cafeterias at least 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning is really best
Wow.
time for cafeteria for me. I have no idea, like, whether it is going to happen second time in my life or not. So I just wait
Hmm.
there and just look at the people, look at the people's face, look at the way they behave, look at the way they talk. It is very interesting. In any case, the people who are listening, if they are not able to feel like they can just right away go to different countries, I will request them, just go to your bus stand, dude, and take a 3 to 4 hours break, and just look at the bus, like that bus is looking sexy, and I just get into it. So yeah, just go with it.
Wow. Wow.
Just go with it, and just tell yourself, dude, at least no matter what else is happening in my life, let it be good, let it be bad, let it be worst, taking 5 hours break is not going to make it anything further. The
Yeah.
worst thing will be worst. The good thing will remain as a good. But 5 hours break is going to give you a philosophical perspective about life from a different angle. Sometimes
Hmm.
whatever the shit is going on with our life, I think if we look it from from different people's angle, or like from different people's perspective, it becomes very easier and simpler.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that is
Wow.
where travel helped me, because I think one of the interesting things for me is, like, just imagine a situation. Okay, you were mm, you were at Azerbaijan. Do you know there is a country called Azerbaijan? It's just
Yeah.
close to Russia.
Yes.
So I
Azerbaijan.
was in the Azerbaijan, and I was just walking on the road,
Okay.
and the world is right now very much similar place because of, like, McDonald's, KFC, and Starbucks. You can find them everywhere, so it will always give you the homely feeling, that you are
Homely
just
feeling.
right next to your home's McDonald's or like Starbucks.
Right.
So I find out a Starbucks, and there was a close to that Starbucks there was a bookstore as well, and
Uh-huh.
it was like snowing over there. So I just get out of the Starbucks open terrace, and I was drinking a coffee, and I was holding a book, and I was holding
Wow.
something else which I cannot tell. So
Okay. Okay. All right.
smoking causes cancer.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes,
so
guys.
in any so in any way, please cut that part. so so in any way, so the moment, just
Yeah.
imagine the moment. You don't know how much how much kilometers away you are from home, and you are not getting traditional phone calls.
Yeah.
All you Coke and a strong black coffee, and there is
Mm.
snowing outside.
Wow.
Now, now imagine like how much the life is at the same time beautiful and at the same time dangerous. You know, you will get the proper feeling because people will
Mm.
look at you as, you know, and you are also like getting like, eye contacts and other stuff are happening, but the happiness that you will find over there is not gonna find out anywhere else. So that is the
Mm.
beauty of traveling to unknown. The more you
Wow.
will talk to unknown, the more you will talk to, like, understand the unknown cultures, the better we will get the philosophy that what is the meaning of life. Because most of the
Wow.
time we think like that way, the way we have taught to be thought. I mean, taught to
Ah.
think.
Yeah.
Get the
Yeah. Yeah.
idea? हमको
Yes.
बोला गया था कि
Yes.
भाई ऐसे सोचो, तुमको
Yeah.
ऐसे ही सोचना पड़ेगा। हमको
Correct. Correct.
हमको सक्सेस का डेफिनेशन समझाया गया था, हाउ मच यू अर्न। Nobody ever told you the how much,
Yeah.
you know, the way you will create your stories at the end of the day going to define yourself. Nobody told me
Mm.
like that. Everybody told me the
Yeah.
way you are getting achievements is going to make you who you are.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
True.
so, so
True.
I consider people in two way. Trust me, I don't see people good or bad. I see people whether they are traveler or not traveler. End of the story.
Ah.
Because
Because
the
if they're
people who are
traveler.
traveler, they are having a very broad mind, like
Ah. Yeah.
into
Open minded.
everything. Let it be for life,
Correct.
anything. They are having a
Correct.
broad mind. They are not a narrow thinker.
Yeah. Yeah. That's so true. That's so true. Especially in this day and age, you can have access to so many different cultures online. You can watch. You can watch people. You can learn
Don't mix it
cultures.
up, dude. Watching snow on YouTube and having it in the real life is completely different
It's
thing.
it's
Okay,
completely
I
different.
can I can give you another example, but I don't think that will be proper one on a podcast interview.
All right. All right. We can talk about that off the podcast. Off the podcast.
Uh,
All right, all right. Yeah, but that's true. That's true. I mean, definitely, it's nowhere close to traveling, but it is better than staying in a room. At least, thoda bahut you get an idea about ki bhai, what is happening outside. And once you get in that rabbit hole, ki bhai, mere ko, snow pasand hai. Like I like this atmosphere of being in a coffee shop and snowy in like 2 a.m. Then you can fly out to Azerbaijan and have fun.
am I just become the brand ambassador of the whole country?
I feel like it. I feel like it. Azerbaijan, pay up. Azerbaijan, pay up. We just promoted your country.